In this video, I'll show you how to add page numbers to PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Then open the PDF file where you want to add page numbers. You can do this by clicking File, then Open, and selecting your PDF from your device. Once the PDF is open, go to All Tools and choose Edit a PDF. In some versions of Acrobat, this may appear as Edit PDF in the Tools panel. This is the section where you can add headers, footers, page numbers, and other editable document elements. After the editing toolbar appears, look for header and footer. Click it, then choose Add. A new window will open where you can add content to the top or bottom area of each page. Now decide where you want the page numbers to appear. Most people place page numbers at the bottom center or bottom right of the page, but you can also place them at the top left, top center, or top right, depending on the style of your document. Click inside the box where you want the page number to appear. For example, if you want the page number at the bottom center, click inside the bottom center box. Next, click Insert Page Number. Adobe Acrobat will add a page number code into that position. This code automatically changes for each page, so page 1 gets number 1, page 2 gets number 2, and so on. You can also customize how the page numbers look. Choose the font size, text color, and margin settings. For a clean and professional look, use a simple font and a size that is readable but not too large. If your PDF has a cover page, title page, or table of contents, you may not want the numbering to start on the first page. To change this, click Page Range Options. From there, you can choose which pages should receive page numbers. For example, you can skip the first page and start numbering from the second page. This is helpful for reports, ebooks, manuals, contracts, and professional documents. Before applying the page numbers, check the preview in the dialog box. Make sure the number is in the correct position and does not cover any text, images, footer details, or important content. When everything looks good, click OK. Acrobat will add the page numbers to your PDF. After that, scroll through a few pages to confirm that the numbering looks correct. Check the first numbered page, the middle pages, and the last page. Finally, save your document. Click File, then Save to update the same PDF, or choose Save. As if you want to create a new copy and keep the original unchanged. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.